Hello, welcome to Simple Answers. In this video, I'll be showing you how to make boomerang video from camera roll on Instagram. The first thing you will need to do is go into the Instagram app. Once in the app, you are going to tap on the plus in the top right hand corner. Then select Story. After you have selected Story, you can either choose to record a story by tapping on camera, or you can select the video that you would like to turn into a boomerang. For example, let me select a short clip, this one right here.
Bring that here now.
After you have selected the clip that you would like to turn into a boomerang, you are going to tap on the three dots in the top right hand corner, and you will see the option boomerang. You are going to tap on that, and as you can see right there, you can use the slide to select the section that you would like to turn into a boomerang. Then you will select apply. That's it. As you can see, you can also change it to slow-mo, or you could increase the speed if you would like. And once you are finished and it's to your liking, you'll tap on done in the top right hand corner. And that's it. You can now post the boomerang on Instagram. Hope you found this video helpful and informative on how to turn a video from your camera roll into a boomerang on Instagram.